So here we are, ready to start the journey on day 3. Time is now 6:30 a.m. on the 11th of December 2022. The reading on the meter is 69270, same as when we finished last night. Now I've got some wonderful people here with me. So lovely people here. He's been looking after my car all night. He has been helping me out with all sorts of other things today. And he is the security man who's been looking after me. And there you can see the manager for the hotel Residency Samira in Vellore. And here I am. Lovely. And we are ready to start. And here is my car all ready to go. And that's the hotel portico. Lovely guys. See you on the road.